Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll explore the cheese production process from fresh milk to the finished product. From pristine pastures, the journey to the world's most exclusive cheese begins. The journey begins with the careful extraction of the finest donkey milk. Pristine donkey milk, the foundation for an exquisite delicacy, flows through a high-tech facility. The journey for the world's most exquisite cheese begins traversing highways to a colossal factory. The journey of the world's finest cheese begins with pristine milk delivered with precision. State-of-the-art robotics ensures every drop is handled with unparalleled care. Through vast, gleaming pipelines, the pure essence flows into the heart of the factory. The journey begins as premium raw milk enters the colossal centrifugal purification system. Precision engineering ensures every microscopic impurity is meticulously removed. The vast purification hall hums with the power of state-of-the-art automation. Through transparent panels, the intricate dance of purification unfolds. From the depths of the separator, the now purified milk emerges flawlessly pristine. Inside, the high-speed dance of separation achieves unparalleled purity. The silent operation of these giants guarantees an unparalleled level of cleanliness. The centrifugal purification hall stands as a monument to dairy perfection. Precision monitoring ensures every drop of milk meets rigorous purity and quality standards. Through advanced systems, every stage of purification is meticulously controlled. Any anomaly is instantly flagged, allowing for immediate, precise adjustments. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Colossal machinery ensures the highest standards of purity day and night.
Milk temperature held at 3.5 degrees for the cycle.
With purification complete, the milk is ready for its transformation into the world's most luxurious cheese. Advanced systems prepare the purest donkey milk, ensuring unparalleled quality for the world's most luxurious cheese. Every drop of milk is meticulously processed, ensuring the final cheese embodies purity and perfection. Through precise thermal regulation, the milk reaches optimal conditions, preparing it for the delicate cultures. Robotics ensure every stage of purification is flawless, maintaining the milk's integrity. Reaching peak thermal precision, the milk is now perfectly conditioned for the next crucial phase. The milk, now perfectly pasteurized, embarks on the next stage of its transformation into a culinary masterpiece. From advanced pasteurization, the pristine milk moves onward, a foundation of luxury in every drop. In vast halls, robotic precision begins the transformation of milk into the world's most exquisite cheese.
A firm.
Each drop is meticulously measured, initiating the delicate process of coagulation. Once inoculated, the milk gently rests, allowing the cultures to begin their vital work. Overhead, the synchronized dance of machinery defines the modern era of cheese craftsmanship. Every component engineered for perfection contributes to the unparalleled quality. From colossal scale to microscopic precision, every action is a testament to technological mastery. From above, the expansive arena pulses with silent automated life. Precision automation and pristine conditions converge, crafting the foundation of unparalleled flavor. In colossal vats, the intricate process of crafting the world's most expensive cheese begins. Cultures are introduced, initiating the delicate transformation of milk into a luxurious foundation. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Every movement is meticulously calibrated, ensuring optimal conditions for transformation. Temperature and timing are rigorously controlled, crucial for the quality of the final product. The meticulous stirring continues, guiding the milk through its first critical phase. In colossal vats, the transformation begins, turning delicate milk into a foundation of luxury. Under precise control, the liquid transforms, solidifying into the precious block of white gold. The once fluid surface transforms into a solid, shimmering expanse ready for the next stage. From liquid to pristine solid, the vast expanse is now a block of high-value curd. The immense block of curd stands as a testament to precision engineering and pure ingredients. A colossal automated frame meticulously descends, ready to transform the pristine curd. With surgical precision, the wires engage, initiating the perfect cut. With the cut complete, automated systems gently guide the perfect cubes to the next stage. Robotic systems orchestrate gentle agitation, preparing the curd for its next transformation. Advanced sensors tirelessly monitor, guaranteeing optimal curd consistency. These perfectly cut cubes form the very essence of the world's most luxurious cheese. This monumental automated process guarantees unparalleled quality in every precious cube. Here, precision stirring separates the pure cheese curds from the golden whey. Automated paddles ensure consistent, delicate agitation, crucial for quality. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. The translucent whey begins to gather a byproduct vital for other uses. State-of-the-art technology precisely controls temperature and agitation for optimal separation. Each step is meticulously managed, guaranteeing the cheese's signature purity and texture. From colossal vats, pure curds begin their journey to become the world's most exquisite cheese. Robotic arms provide the precision required for perfect cheese formation. Hundreds of molds advance, each containing the future of this unparalleled cheese. Each mold is precisely filled and shaped, ensuring uniformity across every single cheese. Automated precision guides the cheese molds into the colossal hydraulic presses. With silent power, the first massive plates begin their descent. Controlled force expels the final traces of whey. The cheese reaches its perfect density, shaped by immense pressure. Automated systems prepare the dense cheese blocks for their next stage. The journey continues as perfectly compacted cheese exits the pressing chamber. New molds with fresh cheese enter the pressing zone. The immense presses descend again, compacting the curds with unparalleled precision. Each cycle meticulously refines the cheese, ensuring supreme quality. Automated guided vehicles precisely transport the freshly pressed cheese, ensuring meticulous handling. The immense vault doors open, revealing a meticulously controlled environment. Inside rows of cheese stretch into the distance, a testament to scale. The silent vault holds thousands of cheese wheels meticulously aging. Each wheel represents a future delicacy maturing in perfect conditions. The silent guardians of flavor, automated guided vehicles patrol the aisles. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Precision climate control ensures optimal maturation for every wheel. Every detail reflects a commitment to unparalleled quality. This monumental vault safeguards the future of the world's most exquisite cheese.